Hi! Welcome aboard to my channel. It's me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong halindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Well, today vlogs is I'm gonna make you pasilip, or I'm gonna show you what I'm doing a little bit in my work, because I work like a Plegadines, or what do you call that, ambulant plague. I'm using a bike because wala akong, I don't have any Pure Shine here, or wala akong license. So, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo, this is very short what I did in my work, like a biking. I use bike, okay? So, let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Guys, good morning. This is the office where we at now, and I wanna introduce you my chef or my boss. Very kind, and arbeitet auch super auch die Boss. Super. This is my... Hello, boss. Danke schön. See, my boss is ganz good. Danke schön. Das ist my boss in Perle, Elbe Perle. Tschüss. Ayan, guys. I am with Farad. Service. At your service. Diba? Malamig na, pero eto na ko, nandito ko yung bahay niya, bigay ko yung kanyang tablet. Ayan mga kalindog, ngayon pupunta tayo sa ating pasyente. Ayan, ganyan lang ang gamit natin, magbabait lang tayo. Ayan, diba, yung alindog. Ayan, diba, oh. Diba, ito yung tinatawag na. Diba, langgana kasi rola. O, diba? Oops. O, diba? Yung bag mga kalindog, meron siyang ilaw. At ayan. Punta tayo doon ang ating patutunguhan. Charot. Oh, cook ma prausit hat mich gelaufen. Ayan guys. So guys, thank you so much all my kalindog. Thank you, Kalindog, for watching my video, and I hope did you like my video. And of course, thank you. Wait, I'm gonna look who is my I forgot his name, because somebody who gonna make me somebody who make my member with me, but I really do, I don't know who is she. I think I will show you guys. Okay, sandali lang, wait for a while. I wanna make a shout out with her only, or with him, all of him that make me who's that? They don't have the what do you call that? No channel, but they make what do you call that? Member with me. Okay, for example here. Okay, there we go. Okay, thank you, Kai. Wait, I show all my member. Oh my god. Where's my... Ayan, guys. Oh no, this is wrong. This is wrong. O, diba? Medyo matagal, but wait. I wanna just tell only with them thank you. Ayan, especially kay, thank you kay Cooking Home. Hi, Cooking Home. I don't know who are you, but please, if you have a channel, just let me know, so I will share your channel or your video, okay? Cooking Home, thank you so much, Cooking Home. And of course, Robinska, thank you, Robinska. I love you, Robinska, thank you. And of course, kay Matthew Matera, hi, from Canada. Thank you, with you also. Thank you, Matthew Matera. And of course, to who is this? And I'd like to say also thank you to Nick Greek. Hi, Nick Greek. Thank you, Nick Greek. I love you. Thank you. I what do you call that? I forget what do you call that? I forget to say hi. Okay. And of course, Justin Battle. Hi, Justin Battle. Justin Battle is also from Canada. And thank you for all of you from Canada to make me a community. Join with my community. Thank you. Thank you for all these guys who don't have a channel. Ayan. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.